This is Red Feather from Grep. In this Kdenlive video, we will show how to take a clear background image and place other images in a video into it. In order to do this, for this example, we will utilize the title clip feature of Kdenlive and place all of the images into a video. For a bonus part of this video, we will show how to add text utilizing the Kdenlive title clip with some tips. Open Kdenlive, bring in the video you would like to work with, do any editing that is necessary. Now, all of the images used in this video were created by us here at Grep utilizing Krita, but any image will work in this Kdenlive procedure as long as one has a clear background. Next, click on the drop-down menu to the Kdenlive Add Clip. Scroll down to Add Title Clip and click. Once the Kdenlive title clip window appears, go to the Add Image and click. Navigate to where your clear background image is, highlight it, and click Open. Once this is done in Kdenlive, click OK. Notice the title clip is now in the project bin. Grab it, placing it on the timeline above the video you have chosen to work with. Once this is done in Kdenlive, go back to the project bin, right-click on the title clip, and scroll down to Edit and click. Once the Kdenlive title clip window appears, at the bottom of the window, put a check mark in the View in Background box. Now notice we can see the video, and we will resize this image. Yours may be different and not need to be resized. But if it does, click on the image in the Kdenlive title clip window so it is highlighted. Then in the panel to the right, adjust the zoom accordingly, moving the image periodically so as to stay centered. Notice in the Kdenlive title clip window, while adjusting the image, the border lines, staying within these lines is what will show. Anything beyond the border lines will not. Once you have finished adjusting the size of the image at the bottom right of the Kdenlive title clip window, click OK. You may have noticed the image has not changed on the timeline by viewing the monitor. There are two ways you can fix this. The first way is to right-click and remove it from the timeline and then place it back. I will show you the second way in a minute. Once this is done, go to the Kdenlive monitor, click to view full screen in order to ensure everything looks good. Once this is done, go back to the Kdenlive project bin, right-click the title clip, and click on Edit. Now we are ready to bring in our next image. So in the Kdenlive title clip window, click Add Image and navigate to the image you would like to use. Then bring it in. Once the image has been brought into the Kdenlive title clip, in the panel to the right, downsize as needed. The panel to the right in the Kdenlive title clip offers a lot of beautiful features. And being our images are text images, we have decided to angle them. Once you have downsized the image, put a check mark in the Kdenlive Show in Background. Then grab the image to move it into somewhat of a placement. Once this is done, in the Kdenlive title clip panel to the right, adjust the axis Z function, up or down, depending on the direction of angle you need. Once you have the proper angle, grab the image you're working with in the Kdenlive title clip, moving it into a proper placement, and finish resizing as needed. Now notice, after our adjustment, our text image is over the heart image. But notice we have tried to do this the hard way by highlighting the heart image. So in order to fix this, in the Kdenlive title clip, go to the panel to the right, go to the box that says Raise Object. Once this is done, click OK. Next, instead of removing the Kdenlive title clip, this time, just move the timeline marker in the Edit Sets In on the timeline. Now let's edit the Kdenlive title clip again and bring in our next image, using the same Kdenlive procedures to downsize and place an angle on the image if needed. But this time, keeping the image highlighted in the Kdenlive panel to the right, click on the box that says Lower Object. Once all the adjustments are made in the Kdenlive title clip, click OK, and then adjust the timeline marker so as the edit sets in. Now let's edit our title clip once again in order to bring in our next image. Once the Kdenlive title clip window appears, bring the next image in and using the panel to the right, make any necessary adjustments. Once this is done, click OK and adjust the Kdenlive timeline marker so as the edit sets in. Then view in full screen to ensure you are happy with the project. Now, you may be thinking you are not using text images, but would like to use or place some text. So, as a bonus part of this video, we will show how to place some text, as Kdenlive has a very nice text editor within the title clip. So let us bring up our title clip in the edit window once again. Bear with me for a few minutes while I place some random lettering within this Kdenlive title clip window for this example. Notice while I'm doing this, in order to place text, go to the T symbol, then to the canvas, click where you would like the text to go, And in this version of Kdenlive, backspace until the word text is gone, and then type your statement. Now you may have noticed we have placed mostly single letters, but one double letter word for this example. And using the panel to the right, change the color of the text by utilizing the Kdenlive color bar. Now notice we are placing an angle on the T utilizing the Kdenlive title clip panel to the right by adjusting the Z axis. But now notice, because we are adjusting our double letter word with the Kdenlive title clip panel axis Z, both letters are moved. This brings out the great qualities of the Kdenlive text editor in its functionality. It is really up to you whether you use full statements or single letters. The important thing is take your time and enjoy the outcome of your current Kdenlive project. Once you are finished placing and adjusting your Kdenlive text, click OK. Adjust the timeline marker so as the edit sets in. View in full screen monitor, and if you are happy, render away. The rest of this video is our rendered Kdenlive project. We hope you have enjoyed this Kdenlive tutorial and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber and ring that bell in order to receive notifications your way of newly released videos. I mean, after all, ladies and gentlemen, it is free. The beginning and the end of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1. Thank you in advance. I am out.